How to get refund on Amazon. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can get refund on Amazon. The first thing you want to do is open the Amazon app on your device. If you do not have this application, head over to Play Store or App Store to download and install this. Now make sure to sign into your account. Then you want to tap on the profile icon at the bottom of your screen. From here, you have the option of orders. Go ahead and tap on that. Now you want to find the order you want to request a refund for. Then select problem with order. Now choose the problem you're experiencing from the list. Then select request refund option. Enter any comments you have in the text box and then select the submit option. Now, if you have already requested for the Amazon refund, but if you have not received it in the bank account, then there are some things you can do. The first thing you want to do is check the status of your refund request. You can find the status of your refund request under the refund request status option. Now, a refund will be provided after Amazon processes your return item at the Amazon or third-party seller facilities. It can take up to 30 days for Amazon to receive and process your return. Once the refund has been issued, it takes additional time for your financial institution to make funds available in your account. So if you used credit card, it can take 3 to 5 business days. If it is Amazon gift card, it can take 2 to 3 hours. If it is a debit card, it will take you up to 10 business days. If it is a checking account or EBT card, then it can take up to 10 business days as well. Now, if you do not receive the refund even after this time period, then you simply want to contact the customer support. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.